Thut chen UMA jong ka NPP na Jowai constituency namar ka jing keno iba Ardent Halor ka jing Donbor Kibrieu haga election MDC ha Jaintia Hills.
It's so sad to hear, sir, from a very senior leader, sir, that in an area where they won, it's a free and fair, where they lose, it's not free and fair. So it's very sad, sir. And I hear, sir, from
Ni UMA ulang ba lada job ko BP kemut ka dekal binti ka bahok ndai lada karam kemut ba kadon ka jing Thut lani ka jing le bam hok.
So it's very sad, sir. And I hope that I'm very disturbed to hear such kind of accusation, because I think the people of Jaintia have voted, have given their mandate just recently. So for this, I think all the district administration, the police, and everyone, the election department has worked so hard for the free and fair election. But it's so sad, sir. But I hope that
Ulang ru ba kadai ek ba sosi namar ba kibrieu jong ka Jaintia kila thep ya ka vote jong ki dakalenti ka bahok. Ulang ru ba nakaliang kibor district nakaliang kipulit pat kumjuru na kiwe kibor kila khmi ba pek bha ban light naka jingleh thok jingleh shukor hakane ka election.
But it's so sad, sir. But nevertheless, sir, it's what can we say? What can we say, sir? It's very common, like last in the other state also, where some party lose, then it is the cause of the EVM and so on. It's so sad, sir, to hear such a senior leader. So we
Te ulang ru ba kum kini ki Jaintia ki jinsha kano ki jujia ki we ki state ru dan ki state ki bakano lada kiram ba kadai nakadaw ka jing Thut jong ka EVM bat kumta ter buong lu ba kadai ke AA ka basongsi ya ka jinsha kano.
Few submissions, sir. I don't want to continue much, sir. So once again, I would like to thank the Honorable Governor for his address, sir. Thank you, and thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. May I request